Okay, so while we're on the ball thing, I'm going to talk about this. From May 1924 to September 1926, Dave and Max Fleischer's Inkwell Studios produced 19 cartoons, part of the Song Cartoons series. Basically using a new process, the phonophone sound on film technique. And it also introduced the idea of the bouncing ball that would be above lyrics, that would guide audiences to sing along to the music. I'm sure you've seen the bouncing ball over the course of your life in various different ways. This is where it comes from. And I think it's a really good example of now suddenly animation wasn't just cartoon funny characters come to life. You could do like artistic things or kind of, in a way, interactive things. So it doesn't seem like a big deal, but honestly, like I think if you just saw it for the very first time out in the world, you'd be like, oh, that's cool. I get to sing along to the song. They're going to put up the lyrics, and I get to watch a bouncing ball doing singing, helping me be able to sing along to it. Um, it seems now just part of our culture now. It doesn't seem like that, like like of course that's always been there, but this is how it started. So this is mid-20s. So watch this again. Watch as much of it as you want. You can do about 30 seconds. You get it. But I just want you to see where the birthplace of this comes from.